Hi guys, I'm Brent at Skin Kitchen Tattoo. So, the question is, why shouldn't I bring my children in with me when I get a tattoo? Mostly, there's a few reasons. One of them is, tattoo artists, we're not very mature. Tattoo artists, we're not the most mature. So, we already act like children. We don't need any more. No, that is a good question. Children can usually kind of just be nothing but a distraction. There are exceptions where some kids are just, pretty quiet and kind of keep to themselves. But the bringing really small children in, that is usually not good because the artist needs a sterile place that's going to facilitate doing the best tattoo that we can do to the best of our abilities, and having little distractions around, like if the kids mommy mommy mommy, and constantly needing something, just any kind of like thing that could take away attention from the tattoo is kind of a detriment to the tattoo. And you only got one shot, so it's better to leave the kids at home, find a sitter, get mom, dad, some hobo down the street to watch them. Whatever it takes, just don't bring them in here. Yeah, yeah. The bringing kids in, that could be a bad thing. Sometimes they might come up and just bump the table or the chair accidentally, and nope, not good, because that's going to translate into the tattoo. It's just not really going to be a good idea all around. There could be the really whiny kid that wants to cry and really needs mom or dad's attention the whole time, and again, it's just going to take from the tattoo. So, yeah, do your best to not bring them in. You're going to get a much better tattoo. You might even want to, you might think that you want to include the kid in the process, just by having them there, if you're getting their name or whatever, footprints and stuff like that. That's a good idea on paper, but it doesn't really... No, it's not going to be a good idea, like in person, to bring the kid, because it's just going to kind of probably be a little bit of a distraction. Not to say that we don't like kids. We do. And bringing kids in is fine if you have to. No problem. I get it. I'm a parent. I know how it is, having a hard time finding babysitters and people to watch the kid. But for the most part, try not to. Hope that answers the question. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, leave them in the thing. And that's about it. Bye.